I left school at 15, no qualifications, went straight into a job in a factory. Just didn't think that the academic world, if you like, was for me at all. I moved around the country a bit, spent a bit of time in prison, unfortunately, for some of the misdemeanours. Got all that out of my way and decided that wasn't the life for me. I didn't want to go down that path. Since I've come to Cardiff, which was about 30 years ago, I've worked really hard on trying to educate myself and bettering myself, becoming the person I wanted to be, really. I had a breakdown. I had severe depression and anxiety about 5 years ago. Because of my anxiety, I couldn't get out of the house or anything like that. So working with Maximus, they introduced me to adult learning, really. At first, I was a bit like, oh, I'm not going to be able to do this. Within sort of like half an hour, I was like, well, that's what you're here for, learn. Because I just thought, I like this tutor. I'm doing digital learning, so ICT. I just wanted to know about how they work and what goes on with them, how to use them, and I've enjoyed it. I like helping others as well, so you know, I've been able to put my penny's worth in with the group, peer learning as Nick says, and it's been great group of people, great tutor, and I've loved it, honestly. I've got on really well with the groups I've worked with, and I'm a bit of a loner, so I really enjoyed that, making friends with a function, you know. Before, it was always just work colleagues, isn't it, you know. Whereas this, we seem to talk to each other, help each other out, nice bunch of people. So I've got a lot more confidence from it. I get something out of it, makes me feel good, makes me feel useful, you know, and it has really helped with my mental health, definitely. I'm coming up to retirement, I'm 62 now, so, you know, I've got another, 5 years? 67. So I want to do something that's meaningful and fulfilling, so I'm looking into that side of what I'm going to do in the future. But I think having those computer skills will add to anything I decide to do moving forward. So I'm not looking for a career, because I think that's a bit too late in life now. But you never know. And what I want to do is just put something back, but I haven't decided, I haven't put a nail in that one yet. I'm still working through that, to be honest.